Hi, it's Billy Silva with Century 21 All Points. I am standing in front of an absolutely stunning listing that I have here in the reserve at Estero, and I can hardly wait to show you inside. Come on, let's go.
Located on a quiet street, as you approach the front door, you can't help but notice the lovely landscaping, all maintained by the HOA. Step inside and you are greeted with an immediate water view. Because it was a model, no detail was overlooked. Wood stairs, crown molding, and rounded archways. You are going to love the natural gas cooking, which is a rare find here in Southwest Florida. The home features impact windows and sliders throughout, plenty of natural light. Don't you just love the spectacular coffered ceilings with decorative molding? Beautiful views of the lake from your window. The lanai is incredible, with a gas-heated pool and spa waiting for you. No worn carpet here. Head up the wooden stairs, a spacious bonus room, a full bath, and 3 bedrooms await you. The French doors there open to a charming Juliet balcony. And wait until you see the primary suite. It is a true standout, with another decorative coffered ceiling, more water views from your windows, and a generous primary bath featuring dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a separate water closet. Downstairs, you'll find another half bath. This home is move-in ready and waiting for its new owners. To experience it for yourself, schedule a private tour by calling me